Hi everyone. Today's live video is actually going to be hopefully pretty short. We are doing tissue paper flowers and butterflies. We were going to do some origami, and then I realized that I'm really bad at origami, so we won't be doing that. So today we're going to do some butterflies, which this is the first one I made, and I used 4 sheets of tissue paper, and it's just too much. So this is the butterfly that I used 2 sheets of tissue paper, and it's much cuter. And then we're also going to do some flowers.
One night on the stage, Toots Magoo.
And for you teachers going back to school, you need to decorate a classroom. I thought these would be super cute and really, really cheap. This one I was trying to put on a dowel to make like a stem. Not that cute. This is actually something that I started doing. We are social distance volunteering for a retirement home, and we send these in so they can decorate the residents' rooms since nobody can come visit them right now with the coronavirus going on. So that's another thing that you can do with these. Moms, dads, if you're home with your kids and they like to create things, or if you like to create things to stay sane because you're at home with your kids, this could be something you do. So tissue paper, this is this is several sheets of tissue paper, but the tissue paper, you can make 4 of these sheets out of 1 piece. For the flowers, I did use 4 sheets. For the butterflies, I did 4 for one, which was way too many. 2 for the other, which I like. You could do 3 to give it a little bit more depth. For the flowers, you start with 4 square, and you're just going to accordion them like a fan. These are going to be a little rushed because yesterday's video was really, really long, and I am trying not to make today's as long. The baby will be awake soon. And a crying baby in a video just does not make for good company. So you've got your accordion. You can take the retirement home sent these. This is, it's not a pipe cleaner, it's like a flower. If you know what this is, comment down below because I forgot what they're called. But these are stronger than the pipe cleaners, so if you're gonna hang them, these may be something that you'd wanna find. So you just strap it around the middle. They are not as malleable as the pipe cleaner. And tie off. So you've got that. That's not quite middle. It's a little better. All right, so you got your pipe cleaner in place. That's going to bother me now. I'm never OCD about anything. All right, so you got your pipe cleaner in place. You take your scissors. You can do my sunburst here. I did a triangle. My little tiny guy, I did a rounded edge. You can do either or. I mean, if you're really creative, you can probably do both, but I'm not about that life. So for this one, we're going to do another triangle. And then you just open it up. And then you just start to separate each sheet, and you can form it into your flower. If you want to get really creative, because something I noticed with my flower here, you can actually see the center there. You could actually put something in the center, another piece of paper, button, whatever you want. But from a distance, that would be super cute. You could also glitter these, spray some adhesive glue, and glitter, that would be adorable. I love glitter. Add a little bling to your classroom. All right, so that's the flower. You just separate these. And then you can form it however you want. And then you just hang. They would be quite adorable. Butterfly. Butterflies are slightly different. I'm going to do 2 sheets again. We actually accordion at a diamond angle. And while I'm doing this, it is Saturday, July 25th. That is my little brother Ryan's birthday. I don't even know if he's active on Facebook, but because I love him and I'm his older sister, happy birthday, Ryan. I'm glad Mom and Dad are down there with you celebrating, hopefully. Hope you guys have a great day. And I will call you later because, like I said, you may not see this. All right, so and my sister's birthday was 2 days ago. I sent her a Marco Polo though, but happy late birthday, Amy, because you are on Facebook and you may see this. All right, so you got your accordion. For this, use little wire cutters, pipe cleaners. Did I use 2? Yep. You do 2. So you do 1 facing one way and another facing the other way. And then whichever side you want to be their little antennae, you open towards that side. So obviously we're going to go with the glitter. These require a lot less fluffing. Probably because there's only 2 sheets, but also because, you know, you can only decorate a wing so much. But I really like these. These are super cute. If I had any form of a classroom, I would use these to decorate. Homeschooling, you don't have a classroom, you homeschool wherever you want. So we won't have a classroom, but butterfly wings. And then you've got this extra one that you can hang. Just bend the little antennae. I hope I say that right. And you have a butterfly. These are super cute. And you can get all of this stuff from the dollar store. So super cheap. Who doesn't love cheap? Another thing that you can do, off the top of my head, that I'm really just coming up with here. Get rid of that dowel. You take 2 of these and you form them together. These would actually make really cool decorations for birthday parties. In fact, my mother may have made these for Mackenzie's frozen birthday party, now that I'm saying that out loud to myself. I think she did. Super cute birthday decorations that hang from a ceiling. So yeah, that is today's video. From yesterday, our slime is hardening nicely. We will do a live video tomorrow with Mackenzie playing with the ASMR slime because it is her life. Of course, I was playing with slime until like 11 o'clock last night because I love it too. I blame her. The bubbly slime, this is the same slime recipe this is what's called crispy slime. You let it dry and then it makes a different sound. And then this is bubbly slime, which I'm not going to take the lid off until tomorrow because that'll ruin it. But it actually is bubbling. So again, when you take the lid off, it makes a very specific sound. So if you are curious to see how they turn out, that is part of tomorrow's. And I think tomorrow we'll go back to Kids Crafts with some moon sand, which is baby oil and flour. So if you want to tune in, we would love to see you. If you have a craft that you want me to try, just comment down below. I really enjoy doing this. This is something that I've been considering doing for a while, and I tried with the paper mache and then just stopped. But I have been enjoying these live videos. So if you have something that you want me to try, or Mackenzie, because she, when she's not being social, likes to do these too, just comment down below. And thank you so much. And now my cameraman has left me, so